Another bloody day for AMC. When will the bleeding stop happening? What is going on? Are the AMC apes finally giving up? Breaking it all down right here in this video, so make sure you guys stay tuned. What's going on, guys? Patrick here, back today to talk more about AMC. One thing that I want to make clear, I want to make it very clear, my friends, is I'm on your side. I want the people, the little man, the small man, the man out there trying to make $1 million with $100 to become rich. I'm on your side. I am you. I am not a hedge fund. I am not a millionaire. I'm just a guy on YouTube making videos about stuff that people want to talk about. And well, today we're talking about AMC. And as you can see, the news on Friday, AMC Entertainment shares slump nearly 7% as insiders continue to sell the movie theater's operator stock. And I've been talking about this the whole time, my friends. The CEO, the insiders, the executives are selling shares. What does that say about their belief in the company? If I'm the CEO of a company and I believe the company is going to go up 1,000% in value in the future, then I'm going to hold those shares. I might even buy more shares. Something that I've done recently with Komodo Dragons NFT. I doubled down. I bought the dip. I'm in it for the long run. I'm not selling as my investors are buying. That's not what I'm doing, right? If I'm a confident CEO in my own company and I believe that there is a future for my company, well, I'm going to keep holding. I'm going to keep buying. And I talked about this months ago, saying that the CEO of AMC, Adam Aron, would end up dumping on all of the retail holders, that he would end up screwing over the investors long term here. And I think that's exactly what is happening. He sold $9.6 million in shares as part of his estate planning, a move he warned investors back in August. His estate planning basically is him just wanting more money, right? The guy wants more money, so he sold $9.6 million worth of AMC shares to AMC holders. CFO Sean Goodman sold 18,000 shares for around $565,000. This is all of his shares in the company. Again, if you're an executive, if you're a CEO of a company, why would you sell all of your shares of a company that you believe will have massive value in the future? I don't know, my friends, but the writing is on the wall here. The writing is on the wall. All right, so today, pulling up the chart on AMC, as you can see, down there to the $22.90. It's down 16% on the day. Just last week, when I made the video talking about AMC pushing up there towards that high at $33, $34, I talked about there was a very, very, very good chance that AMC wanted to move down here to the $16 level, and everyone laughed at me. Everyone said I was an idiot, that I had no idea what I was talking about, and AMC would continue to go higher in the future. Well, today is Monday. It's been about a week since I made that video at the $30 level, and the price of the stock is now trading at $23. You can see today it's been a total bloodbath. AMC just crashing down here today, dumping Friday with all the news about the CEO and the executives selling. So this is not me trying to make fun of holders or trying to say like, hey, you guys lost money, you're an idiot. That's not what this is about. This is about trying to reverse the narrative that AMC, that the CEO, that anyone that is supporting AMC is actually wanting you to make money here. This was never about the holders. This was never about the investors. This was clearly a pump and dump on a grand scheme. And I know the whole narrative from, people that are bullish on the stock is that the stock, they will continue to buy. But clearly something is happening here, because the stock is now down to $23 and no one is buying. Obviously there are buys coming through when these dumps are happening, but people are undercutting and they are lowering the price drastically here. And you can see just the other day when AMC was $42, now almost down 50% today. Since then, that's only been like a week. If you're still holding, congratulations, you've got a bigger set than me. I give props to anyone out there that still believes in this play. And like I said before, there's still always a possibility of a short squeeze here, but you really got to look at the bigger picture. And all I see AMC doing is going down in value. Well, I'm going to continue to short. And I know there's going to be a lot of very, very, very upset people commenting on this video saying that I have, again, that I'm fudding, that I want AMC to go lower, that I want people to lose money. And I by no means want anyone to lose money here. But I put out warnings, for the last 6 months. I've been talking about this. I've put out so many videos talking about how AMC would end up burning the shareholders in the future, because really it was very clear from the get-go when the CEO of the company took a $2 million bonus for keeping AMC open during the pandemic and all that. He took a $2 million bonus while 40,000 employees lost their jobs. If I'm the CEO of a company and 40,000 of my employees are going to lose their jobs, I can guarantee you I would not take a $2 million bonus. I would use that $2 million to be able to pay those 40,000 employees. That's what a real CEO of a company would do. A CEO of a company that believes there is value and there's a future for a company. I see that AMC holders are praising the CEO of the company, that they're praising, what he's doing. But guys, you've got to look at the big picture here, at the overall idea of AMC going lower and lower and lower, while the executives of the company, the insiders, are selling. So I don't know about you guys, but I kind of look at investments from a kind of outside picture. If I'm looking to invest in a company and the CEO of the company is dumping shares, I don't know about you, but I would be taking profit along the way. And I understand, he's going to say that it was an estate planning. That's the reason that he's selling, is for his estate planning. Well, guess what? The guy who bought AMC at $40 and he's down 50% now, he needs estate planning too, right? The investors of the company need estate planning. They need to make money as well. They need a future here, and they're investing for their futures. And that's why I'm so upset, and that's why I keep talking about AMC, is I'm hoping that somebody out there can finally look at this and be like, Patrick, Patrick has a good point. The company actually doesn't believe in themselves. The company doesn't care about the actual retail traders. The company does not care about AMC holders. So why is it that AMC holders care so much about the stock? Again, today, like I said, breaking through that support there at the $28 level. We had support there at the 30s. We had a little bit of support there at the 28, and now today down 15% and getting hammered. So again, I want to make a warning that there is a chance that, there's a little bounce back up here. When we get these overly drastic sell-offs, there is a chance that there is a bounce back. But don't get caught, holding the bag here. If this thing bounces back up here to 28, I would still expect it to continue to go lower from there. It's been breaking through all EMAs. It's been breaking through all support. And like I said, there is no one coming to save the holders anymore. There is no one. Trades, Matt Kors, none of those guys are going to save you. The only person going to save you at this point is you, either taking profit or you cutting off a very, very bad trade. If you bought at $50 and you're still holding, well, I'm praying for you, my friend. I'm praying for you. And again, this is not to make fun of anyone who's losing money on AMC. I understand there's a lot of people today who are going to be very, very upset and very, very, sad that they're down 16%, another 16%, as the company again goes and screws the retail traders. And I know there's going to be an argument down below in the comments about how, this is all because of hedge funds. This is all because of the SEC. This is all because of manipulation. But this is not manipulation. This is just the facts. This is the truth. The company itself, AMC, is a failed company. The CEO is a failed CEO. The whole entire idea of AMC is a failed idea. Please, people, see what is happening here. See the actual idea of the future value of this company. It's no longer a, oh my God, we're all gonna make millions and millions of dollars because this is gonna squeeze to $10,000. It's now a question of how bad do people really hold this, and how long do they hold this until finally it's, I would say, bankrupt. I'm calling it right now. AMC going bankrupt in the next 5 years, maximum 5 years. AMC bankruptcy. I'm calling it right now. Go ahead and mark the video all you want. Will there be some pops? Will there be some drops along the way? Sure. But AMC will be bankrupt in the next 5 years. If you guys haven't already, do me one big favor. Hit that like button, subscribe button, all the buttons down below. I will talk to you guys later on.